international community, basically made up of the sort of mainstream mass media, usually coming out of the US, the UK, Europe. And they like to put forward these sort of popular images of what's going on in different countries. And of course, it doesn't always reflect what's actually happening on the ground. And it can be quite infuriating and quite insulting if you're seeing things in the news describing you as a country or as a people as being X, Y, and Z, when that's not actually the case. And I can speak from absolute experience here, being South African. The kind of nonsense that when I was growing up, people were saying about us white South Africans is appalling. If you grew up outside of South Africa, you probably think all white South Africans are sort of racist, privileged people who took advantage of the local population in order to live a wealthy, fantastic life with a sort of spoon in your mouth. But, that's absolute nonsense and mendacious. It's the furthest thing from the truth. And a lot of that can be reflected in what's said about China. Number 2, cultural ignorance. Okay, I've got to admit that when I first came to China, I was guilty of this myself. Although I do try to be polite, I'll be completely honest, I didn't do my due diligence. And I didn't really look into the Chinese culture that much. And this is the thing, it's easy to judge another culture and another people, but you first at least have to try to understand the culture. And so what happens is you'll get situations where just very basic things, which could be avoided, misunderstandings, and rude comments or rude behavior, perceived rude behavior happens because of a misunderstanding of the culture. I mean, things like, you should take the shoes off before you walk into a Chinese person's house. This is something I didn't know. You come here, you get invited to someone's house, you walk in, and you basically walk in with your shoes on. That's a big no-no. Things like asking stupid questions like, do you have air conditioning in your home in China? Of course they do. If they live in the city, it's all the modern amenities. Hey, how's it going? I just spotted a subscriber. Hey.
Hey, what's up?
How you doing?
Great, how are you?
Very good, thanks.
What a beautiful car.
It's really cool, huh?
Yeah, wonderful. Brand new, I guess.
Yeah, it is. It's about a year old.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just making a video about, the 5 things people dislike about cars.
Ah,
So,
you're number 1.
yeah, pretty much. Sure. Number 3 is that foreigners are American TV shows which do portray foreigners as being these sort of very loose and open individuals. And of course, not all foreigners are like that, but it's difficult for people that are in the closed-off society like China to actually understand that. Don't forget that there's still a lot of control over the media here. Things like pornography are completely banned. Anything that's seen as lewd or crude is cut out of the TV. Obviously, the internet's completely blocked off. So, when they see these TV shows, of course, they get this idea that foreigners are incredibly lewd and rude and open. Now, whether that be true or not, because of course it is for some people, sex education really is an issue in China. It is a problem. There isn't much sex education here. In fact, I think they do have sex education, but only in college. So by the time people are in their 20s, they first learning about sex. Of course, by then I think they've probably figured it out by themselves anyway. But the thing is, there is a lot of taboo around sex, and so of course it's not the same for Westerners. And because we're a bit more open about this, we're seen as some kind of sexually promiscuous sex